The cross-country story continues. It began almost 20 years ago. Developed as a capable alternative to the SUV and front-wheel drive cars, Volvo Cars' first cross-country grew in popularity as old-school SUVs began to morph into city jeeps. Cross-country offered a new, adventurous take on motoring. It delivered a competent mix of true capability, practical functionality, superior comfort, and rugged design. Through 3 generations, Volvo Cars has come to define this adventurous and distinctive segment. With all new chassis technology, cross-country is about to be reborn.